One of the tragic figures of Indian cricket, Nari Contractor's career was cruelly cut short when he was struck on the skull by a short delivery from Charlie Griffith in the Indian Tourists Colony game against Barbados in 1962. His life was in danger for some time, and he needed several emergency operations to take him off the danger list. Almost 2 years later, the left-handed opening batsman, the very epitome of courage, was playing first-class cricket. But despite a brave attempt to stage a comeback to Test cricket, he never could quite make it. Contractor came into the limelight by scoring 92 against West Indies at Delhi in 1958-59. He then attracted notice on the 1959 tour of England. In the second Test at Lord's, he suffered a broken rib but carried on manfully to get top score of 81 in a total of 168. Against the all-conquering Australians in 1959-60 he scored 438 runs, notching up his first and, as events proved, his only Test century, at Bombay. He was appointed captain against Pakistan in 1960-61, becoming, at 26, the youngest Indian captain. The next season, he led India to a historic series victory over England. He was at his peak both as captain and batsman when he was struck by the near-fatal blow. Contractor had started his first-class career by scoring a century in each innings for Gujarat against Baroda, equaling the record held by another left-handed opening batsman, Arthur Morris. In a first-class career that stretched almost 2 decades, Contractor scored 86 runs, 39.86, with 22 hundreds. Nari Contractor debuted in Test cricket against New Zealand at Brabourne Stadium, Mumbai, on 2 December 1955. His last Test match was against West Indies at Kingston on 7 March 1962. Nari Contractor played 31 Test matches, 52 innings, and scored 1,611 runs with a decent batting average of 31.58. His highest score of 108 against Australia at Brabourne Stadium, Mumbai, in 1960 goes in vain as the Test ended in a dull draw. He hits 1 century and 11 half-centuries in his entire Test career. As a fielder he took 18 catches. He also took 1 wicket with a bowling average of 80.00 in Test cricket. Nari Contractor had a very good first-class record. He played 138 matches, 234 innings, and scored 8,611 runs with a batting average of 39.86. His highest score in first-class cricket is 176. He has 22 centuries in his kitty. He also took 26 wickets with a bowling average of 40.00 in first-class cricket. His best bowling in first-class cricket is 4 for 85.